We begin first up with news that we are tracking from the national capital. Order has been issued for entry of people only after admission and verification in the Delhi Secretariat premises. Instructions have been given to increase monitoring of private security guards on all floors of Delhi Secretariat. Additionally, CCTV monitoring that is happening on all floors. No file, documents, computer hardware will be moved from the Delhi Secretariat. Entry that's been restricted at Delhi Secretariat after BJP's win. It said that no one is being allowed to visit these floors of the Delhi Secretariat. There is heavy CCTV monitoring that is also taking place. And let's now move on to more news that is newsbreak that is coming in from the national capital. This is on that meet which has just concluded between Union Home Minister Amit Shah and JP Nadda. So while there is a lot of speculation at this stage as to whether it is going to be Delhi BJP Chief Parvesh Verma or Delhi BJP Chief Virender Sachdeva or Parvesh Verma, who will be considered for the Chief Minister post. The meeting has just concluded between Union Home Minister Amit Shah and JP Nadda. The meet lasted for close to 2 hours. And while speculation is rife regarding who will be taking over as the Chief Minister post, these are back-to-back engagements of the BJP party happening since yesterday. Parvesh Verma, Virender Gupta and Virender Sachdeva are among the front runners. Let's go across to Riyanka. She's joining us live from outside Amit Shah's residence. Riyanka, while there is, of course, a lot of speculation at this stage as to whether it is going to be the Delhi BJP chief or Parvesh Verma, who's defeated the Aam Aadmi Party national convener, what is it that you're learning from your sources as to who is closer to getting that chief minister throne?
Now, to decide on that very question as to who will be the Chief Minister of the national capital from the side of the BJP, it is where we are seeing that there are several hectic meetings that are taking place in the national capital. Earlier, it was yesterday after the Prime Minister's speech, and now the second leg of the meetings took place at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, which was attended by JP Nadda. And just a while ago, the meeting concluded. It lasted for about 1 hour and 45 minutes, and we of course understand that this meeting, given the time, it is very, very significant that several developments will be taking place. In fact, there are even many other meetings that are currently slated to take place in the national capital over the course of few days, given that there will be discussions on the future course of action, because the BJP is forming the government in the national capital for after 27 years. So there is a lot to catch up, there is a lot to discuss, there is a lot to plan, especially starting with the Chief Minister and also all the other ministers who will be present in the Delhi cabinet. So there is going to be a lot of discussions that will be taking place. For now, the crucial meeting at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence.
Yes, Riyanka, thank you for the moment, and also important to add here that Prime Minister Modi had pledged yesterday that the CAG report is going to be tabled in the first sitting of the Delhi Assembly itself. A lot of reactions coming in on BJP's historic win after 27 years. Listen into the reactions coming in.
मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि झूठ की गारंटी वाले अब हमारी पक्की गारंटी के लंबे समय तक के लिए सत्ता से बाहर चले गए और जनता ने उनको बाहर का रास्ता दिखाया। भ्रष्टाचारी झूठ की गारंटी वालों को बाहर करके दिखाया।
सब बड़े नेता हार गए, अरविंद केजरीवाल हार गए, बाकी बड़े चेहरे हार गए और उनकी जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं वो डांस करती हुई अपना चुनाव जीतते दिख रही हैं। क्या मैसेज जाता दिख रहा है?
देखिए, एक प्रयास मुझे लगता है अंदर ही अंदर किया गया। पहले दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी के होर्डिंग बैनर पोस्टर से सिटिंग मुख्यमंत्री की फ़ोटो हटा दी, फिर उनके अपने ही चुनाव निपटाने में जो षड्यंत्र वो पहले से अपने फाउंडिंग मेंबर को निकालने के लिए अरविंद जी और इनकी टीम करती रही, यहाँ पे बाकियों को निपटाते खुद ही निपट लिए। तो मुझे लगता है इस पर कुछ खुशी ज़्यादा हुई होगी।
भविष्य क्या देख रहे हैं आप आम आदमी पार्टी का, क्या रहेगा स्थिति?
मैंने तो कहा आपको कि जो झूठ की गारंटी देने वाले अब पक्की गारंटी है तो लंबे समय के लिए बाहर चले गए।